Hello, and yes, commentating. This is the map that you said that you played, and this is the rules. This is the game speed, and the initial resources is how much you have at the beginning of the war, or what POS says, capital. As you can see, mine is 40,000. Here is the map. This is the army that you're going to choose. Now I'm going to show you one by one the army. I recommend you to play unfair advantage, since the enemy can go only one way, and the side of the enemy should be at Nod, and the AI personality should be at Turtle. Or if you think it's hard for you, you could increase the handicap for as much as you want. Smother. As always, we start with the construction yard.
Yep.
You
Let's
can
set her
also change this into a MCV,
Easy.
which can move
Moving
around.
construction. Let's get working.
New construction options.
Now, first things first, you need a
Building.
power plant, and you need this to
Training.
increase where you can build your buildings. Yeah.
Construction
Now,
complete.
the GDI
New
is
construction
usually
options.
more like
Building. On hold. Cancelled. Building.
more like high-tech, highly trained people. You know,
Ready for base expansion.
crane increases your
We'll find some new land.
construction
Okay.
slot by 1, so you can build more buildings but not defenses. Construction, you can also do defenses, which is this one. Each faction has
Construction
its own
complete.
defenses. So,
Building.
as you can see,
Building.
I'm building
Surveyor.
2 refineries at one time because I have a crane. Now, because it's turtle, the enemy won't attack you as much, but however, they will concentrate on defending their own base. So you don't actually care about
Building.
defending your base, but rather than attacking them.
Construction complete. New construction
I think
options.
there's 5
Construction
air
complete.
personalities.
Building. Construction
Balance.
complete.
Balance and see
Construction
Building.
complete. Cannot
Balance.
deploy here.
And
New
then
construction
it's-
options. Construction complete.
turtle,
Training.
steamrollers,
Building.
gorilla.
Rifle squad ready.
What's next? Gorilla, steamroller,
Rifle squad ready.
Construction complete.
Russia.
Keep your weapon ready. Understood.
Russia is actually just
Rifle
like
squad ready.
the Rush.
Squad ready.
They use low quality
Building.
soldiers
Missile squad
Building.
ready for
On
combat.
hold.
to
Cancelled.
attack early when your defenses are low and weak.
Missile squad ready for
While
combat. Securing
gorilla
area.
uses
Keep your weapon ready.
Construction
loss
complete.
This way, rifle squad.
of your base to attack you. Maybe if you're not defending here, they could attack from here.
Building.
And it's also recommended to build 2
Construction
refineries
complete.
at one
Cannot
place.
deploy here. New construction options.
Reporting in.
Building.
Securing
Building
area.
in progress. Training.
Rifle squad. Pitbull
Now, for steamroller, yeah,
Construction
steamroller.
complete.
They usually attack you constantly with
Construction
medium
complete.
amounts of army.
for action. Keep your weapon ready.
So it's not actually really
Building.
harmful, but
Building.
as time progresses, it will be very hard to defend, especially if it's a 2v1.
Careful. Predator rolling out.
Building. Construction
Now, if you
complete.
see, GDI uses
New construction
one
options.
base defense,
Construction complete.
which is very
Low
powerful.
power. New construction options. Building.
Predator
So, for
rolling
example,
out.
if I lost my power, I
Construction
could turn
complete.
this off using this,
Building offline.
and would turn back on because I'm turning this off, or maybe this.
Construction
Because I don't have
complete.
power, I could turn
Building
this off.
offline. Building
Once I got the
online.
power plant, I could turn it on back.
Building. Silos needed.
Predator, move out over division.
To increase how much you can do, or maybe collect this, you need
Building.
a heavy silo.
Building. Upgrade complete.
Predator crew ready to
Construction
roll.
complete. Construction complete.
Now,
Construction complete.
GDI is
New
best
construction options.
used.
Training.
not concentrated,
Building
but
in progress.
in the
Building.
variety. For example,
Ground support. Squad ready.
Three
Coming in clear,
riflemen,
Commander. Who we
2
getting?
missile squads,
Predator ready for
2
battle. Loaded and
bombers,
ready.
and 2 infantry
Area
tanks.
confirmed. Marker
This is a good
Construction
combination
complete.
to make your troops very strong. Once you got that airport,
Tank division.
your
Keep your weapon
troops
ready.
can be transported.
Transport
using this.
Standing by.
Not only
Marker ready for
applies to
liftoff. Transport on its way.
aircraft,
Upgrade complete.
Where they hide? LZ confirmed.
Ground support.
Enemy unit sighted.
Okay, we're coming in.
Anything.
Unit lost.
Track your targets.
Transport inbound.
Steady. Listen up, missile squad.
Keep an eye out for those SAMs. New course set.
With this, you
Transport
can
en route.
transport them
New course set.
to enemy lines or
We're on our way.
places that they can't.
Let's be careful. New
Enemy
course
base
set.
sighted.
Let's be
Pass.
careful. Destination
You
set.
can see
Keep an
they're
eye out for those SAMs.
defending a lot.
Initializing landing
Select
gear.
target.
LZ in
So I'm
sight.
gonna-
Select
Preparing for
target.
drop off.
GDI's
Unit under attack.
special weapons are mostly consist of defenses and
Select
reinforcements.
Confirmed. Airstrike's on its way.
As you can see, they're very strong at defending. And as you can see right now, they're not actually attacking me with those large amounts of
Assault in progress.
army.
Targeting enemy.
Construction complete. Upgrade complete. Unit under attack. Training. Unit lost. Training.
Yeah,
Rifle
that should be
squad
it.
ready.
Not
Rifle
very
squad.
much to say.
Rifle
GDI is
squad ready.
already-
Progress.
People ready for action.
Reload. Reload. Area
Rifle
confirmed.
squad ready.
Fire. Confirmed.
Ready for
Squad
action.
ready for combat.
Construction complete.
Missile squad ready
New
for combat.
construction options. Building. Silos
People ready
needed.
for action.
There's also upgrades from Tech Center and Armory. Armory upgrades your soldiers while Tech Center upgrades your
Sniper team,
vehicles.
where do you need us?
Predator rolling out.
Pilot responding. What do you see? Sniper team, where do you need us?
Keep it safe.
As you can see, I'm having
Predator
a
rolling
constant
out.
amount
Yes,
of
sir.
Tiberium
Careful.
with me, so I
Grenade
can
sir.
possibly make troops. But
Construction
however,
complete.
because I have two
ready for
refineries,
combat.
Upgrade complete.
the bearing field will deplete more faster than usual. Bear that in mind.
Grenade
Sniper
squad
team.
all ready.
APC ready for combat.
Systems on. Channels open.
Ready when you are. APC,
Grenade
what's the
squad
plan?
all ready.
Hatch sealed.
Select
Sit
target.
tight.
Approaching drop zone.
Training.
Now, each and every faction or nation has a
Reinforcements
commando.
ready.
Mammoth, take a symbol.
For the GDI, it has
Troopers ready for action.
powerful assault rifle and jump jacks,
Predator,
which
heading
can
out.
fly,
Predator crew ready to roll.
so they could jump to terrain. For example,
We're here.
from here,
Punch
he
it.
can jump from there.
Time to
there.
go.
Easier is
Let's
that.
go, troopers. We hear you. Predator crew ready to roll. Troopers ready
Enemy
for
unit
action.
Right
sighted.
now, I'm
I think they want some more.
Unit under attack.
How do you like it? That's right.
Juggernaut standing by.
We ain't stopping.
Targeting
attacking the
enemy.
enemy.
We have contact. Assault
Because
in
I have
progress.
a wide variety,
Take them out.
then they will have a hard time
Light 'em up.
attacking my army.
Unit lost.
Here.
It's just me.
Four.
Keep your weapon ready.
See, even my strong
ready for
and
battle.
heavy army cannot defeat them.
Targeting enemy.
Unit under attack.
Mammoth tank ready.
Can it we defeat them?
Yes, sir.
Upgrade complete. Training. Reinforcements ready. Training.
Rifle squad ready.
Troopers in the field.
All right, what do you got?
Rifle squad
Go
ready.
in there. I got you breathing right here.
Incoming!
Yeah?
Missile squad ready for combat. Missile squad ready for combat.
Don't let up! That's it. Keep them down.
Predator rolling out.
Unit
Missile
under
squad
attack.
ready for combat.
Select
Preparing for
target.
drop off.
Enemy base sighted.
Keep it calm.
APC ready for combat.
What's the status?
Grenade
Now,
squad
even,
all ready.
Each faction has its own heavy artillery, and
Unit lost.
someone messaged me.
Sniper team, where do you need us?
I don't know who it is. Oh, it's okay.
Stealth unit detected.
See,
Select
the defenses
target.
are quite very heavy.
Unit under attack.
However, because they have too much
Mammoth take a
defenses,
symbol. We have contact. Troopers
easily
ready for
take
action.
power.
Mammoth
Upgrade
tank ready.
complete.
Close in.
Tiberium field depleted.
Ready here.
Upgrade complete.
What do you got for me?
Juggernaut standing
See
by.
right now, the Tiberium field has been depleted. So
These air filters
by
working?
default,
Unit
harvester
under
should
attack.
find the nearest Tiberium, which is here, or Tiberium. You need to wait. However, the old Tiberium, you need to wait for it to regenerate itself like this. It's growing by itself.
Loaders ready.
Select target.
Side.
Unit lost.
Trooper squad. Mammoth tank ready. Superiority. Close in.
Unit under
Also,
attack.
Let me see. If you click Q, it will select every single unit or combat unit that you have, and you could ask them to attack.
Stealthy unit
For
detected.
example, Q. This will select every single unit that you have in the map.
Unit
Orca
promoted.
standing by. Orca pilot.
Unit
You
under
can see
attack.
Turtle is pretty easy to defeat.
Reinforcements
Weak
ready.
defenses and defenses that are
Keep 'em coming.
nothing good.
Select
Coordinates
target.
received. Stand by for bombing run.
It's actually a good. It's a good AI to test out.
Have some of this.
That's right. This GDI tutorial. Next is non-tutorial.
Unit lost. Reinforcements ready.
Should be the same.
Move it
But
up.
I will teach you how to master
Move it up.
Enemy defeated.
GDI.
You are victorious.